for the second band, 73. Go ahead, set across 8, Delta Golf Sierra, calling to kill.
November 0, Zulu, Hotel Echo.
Whiskey 6 Kilo Mexico, 5 and 9, very strong, Richard.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good signal into San Francisco area today. You're 5859, no problem. 73 and good DX, my friend.
Roger, thank you for the contact, Richard. 783, Cuervo Set, Echo Alpha 8, Delta Golf Sierra, calling to kill.
November 0, Zulu, Hotel Echo.
Kilo. Oscar, Mexico, Sierra. Roger, my antenna is direction to North America. You report the signal here is the 5758 in Tenerife, Roger. Roger, thank you, MSN. Thank you, Oliver, 73. Square set, call 8, Delta Golf Sierra, calling North America.
November 0, Zulu, Hotel Echo.
November.
Okay, Kilo 4, Juliet 4, November, 5 and 9.
You're 5 and 9 plus into northern Florida. Foxtrot Lima. Name here is Joe. Juliet Oscar Echo.
Roger, okay, Joe, thank you for the contact. 5 and 9 plus 5, you report real here in Tenerife. Thank you, 73.
73.
November 0, Zulu, Hotel Echo.
Echo 2, Delta Papa Kilo. Okay, Whiskey 4, Kilo Oscar Bravo, Whiskey 4, Kilo Oscar Bravo.
Roger. Whiskey 4, Kilo Oscar Bravo. You are 5959 into North Carolina. You okay?
Roger, Clear John, you report to here in Tenerife is the 5455 in Tenerife. Thank you for the contact, FM 10-3.
November 0, Zulu, Hotel Echo.
Okay, Zulu Hotel Echo again.
November 0, Zulu, Hotel Echo.
November 0, Zulu Hotel Echo. You report the signal to 5858 in Tenerife. Thank you for the 30 run, my friend.
Yeah, QSL, you're 5 and 9, 59, and yeah, thank you for a new band, 73, good DX.
Thank you, Gregory, 73. Cuervo Set, call 8, Delta Golf Sierra, calling to kill.